Morning, my dear children. How are you all? Have you all rest well yesterday night? Okay. Today we are going to learn EVS subject. EVS means Environmental Science subject. And this is for Tamil Nadu board syllabus for standard 1, A1 and A2. All are fine. All are safe at home. All are enjoying. Okay. Before learning, let us all close your eyes and pray. Gracious and heavenly Father in heaven, thank Thee for this wonderful new day. Thank Thee for the care and protection. Thank Thee for the food, shelter, and clothing. Thank Thee for all the blessings. Dear Jesus, as we are going to learn a new lesson, be with us, fill us with thy wisdom and knowledge to understand the lessons well and to come up in our life. Dear Jesus, especially we pray for our parents, teachers, elders, and youngsters. Bless them abundantly. Bless us also. This we ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, shall we start our lesson, children? What class is this one? EVS science subject. Take out your second term book. Second term book, page number 72. Page number 72. And last week we studied lesson number 2, water. What is the topic of the last week lesson? Water. Lesson number 2, water we studied. In this one, what we studied? Water is used to drink. Water is used to cook, wash. Water is used to washing, cooking, bathing, drinking. And animals and plants also need water. Water is very, very essential in our daily life. Without water, we cannot live in this world. Okay, that is the first point. And second one, we studied about a rhyme. Rain, rain, pouring everywhere. Okay, rain is the first source of water. Next one is the lake, pond, river and all. When the rain comes, all the ponds and river will fill in. Okay, rain is the first source. And next one is how to drink a good water. Fetch the water in the vessel, filter, boil it, make it to cool, and then we have to drink. This is the safety way of drinking water. Okay. Next one is how to save. How to save water. How to save water. We have to fetch water in the bucket and use it for cleaning, washing, cooking, and for bathing. Okay, that these are the main points about water we studied in the last class. And today we are going to learn lesson number 3, our society. What is the topic of the lesson? Our society. In this lesson we are going to learn about importance of different festival. Okay, importance of different festival. Festival means what? Diwali, Pongal, Ramzan, Christmas, all these are festivals. And the second point is appreciate the different role of people in the society. Appreciate the different role of people in the society. All the people are in the world, okay? Some people will do some work and some people will stay at home and they'll do the household thing. Like that, we are going to appreciate the roles of the people in the society. Okay, society means whom the people are living with us. That is called society. Okay, now we learn festivals. We celebrate many festivals. Some are celebrated to thank nature and others are local celebration. All festivals are occasions to express our unity. Traditional festivals. Pongal. Do you know why we celebrate Pongal? Pongal is a harvest festival. A good harvest brings happiness to all. During Pongal, we thank nature for giving us the food we eat. Okay? Listen now. Every day in our day to day life or in a year, we are celebrating many festivals. The month of January, we will celebrate Pongal. In the month of October or November, we will celebrate Diwali. In the month of December, we will celebrate Christmas and will celebrate Ramzan. Okay, all these are festivals. Festivals are celebrated to thank the nature. Nature means what God has created. No, the sun, moon, and the stars are called nature. These people are celebrating nature. Okay, celebration of nature is called festivals. All festivals are the occasion to express our unity. Unity means what? All the people are joining together and we are making united to them. Okay, that is called unity. But we should not thank the nature. Okay, we have to thank God because God had created the nature. Okay, we have to thank God for giving us the good nature. We should not thank the nature. Okay, next one. Traditional festival. Which is our traditional festival? Pongal is the traditional festival. That means what? In the Pongal, on the Pongal day, we will celebrate we will celebrate Pongal for giving thanks to the farmers because farmers are harvesting and they are giving the food to eat. So we are giving thanks to the farmers, sun, etc. Okay, Pongal is the harvest festival. A good harvest brings happiness to all. During Pongal, we thank nature for giving us the food to eat. Okay, on the Pongal, we are giving thanks to the nature because nature is giving food we eat. Okay, like that, here it is given, but we have to thank God. God is only giving everything. Okay, God is providing us food, etc. So we have to thank God. Shall we go to the next one? We celebrate Pongal for 4 days. Each day has a unique features. Okay, we'll celebrate Pongal for how many days? 4 days we'll celebrate. It has different features. On the first day, people will celebrate Bohi. Bohi means what? On that day, people will discard the old things from their home. That means what? The old things what they have at home, they all take it out and put it outside and they will burn it off. That is called Bohi festival. Okay, they also paint the walls with limestone. Limestone means what? Sunambu. They will paint the walls with the sunambu, white sunambu, or different colors we have. They will paint the walls with sunambu and they will make the house bright and clean by cleaning it. Okay, and they will draw different kinds of column in front of the house. They will put flower column, then they will put chick column and all by keeping more dots or pulleys. Okay, by that they will decorate the house. They burn old and damaged item. Burning tires and plastic items makes the air there dirty. This should be avoided. Okay, what the people will do, whatever it is damaged or whatever it get old, they will bring everything outside and they will put it down and they will burn it like anything. Okay, but burning should not done because it pollutes the air. It pollutes the air. Air means காற்று. We are getting in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. When we inhale oxygen, the oxygen should be fresh to inhale. If we inhale the fresh air only, we will be good. Because of that reason only, we should not burn any tires or plastic outside the house because the air get polluted. Okay, next one. On the second day, talai pongal. What is talai? On this day, people prepare pongal in a new pot with newly harvested rice. They worship and thank the sun. Okay, this pongal, we'll say in Tamil, Veetu Pongal. Okay, on that day, they will prepare pongal with a new pot and with the new rice. What they get, when they harvest, they will get a new rice, that is the first rice. Okay, they will take that rice and they will make pongal in a new pot and they will give thanks to the sun. By looking at the sun only, they will cook the food and they will look at the sun and they will pray to God. But sun is created by God, so first we have to give thanks to God. Okay, next one. Turn the page. Page number 74. Third day is Matu Pongal. Third day is Matu Pongal. It is a celebration to thank cattle which work hard for us. Cattle are decorated and worshipped on this day. Okay, for farmers, which animal is very very useful? The ox is very very useful because it plows the field. Okay, before they are planting anything, they plow the field with the help of the ox only. They will plow it, so they will give thanks to the cattle. On the third day, they will celebrate Matu Pongal. They will wash the madu. Madu means, you know, no, madu, cow or ox. Okay, they will wash it. They will keep pottu. They will put malai. Okay, you know malai. Malai, you know. They will put everything to the cow and they will thank the cow because it is helping them, no, so they will thank. We should not thank the cow and all. Cow is an animal, it does the work for us. Okay, so we have to thank all the time. We have to thank God only. Okay, next. Fourth day, Kanum Pongal. Kanum Pongal Ulavar Tirunal. Okay, it is a day of thanking the farmers. People also visit relatives, friends, temples, and scenic spots and have fun together. On Kanum Pongal means what? We have to go and visit our relatives. We have to go and see them. You are seeing, no? Seeing means called what? Kanum. We have come to see you. See you means what? நாங்கள் உங்களை பார்க்க வந்திருக்கோம். காணும் பொங்கல். Okay, on the day they will go and visit their relatives. They will go to temple. Then some of the scenic spots they will go. Then they will go to some other places to make fun, to enjoy them. They will go around and enjoy. Okay, can you understand? What are the four pongals? First one is Bogi, then Veetu Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanum Pongal. What are the four festivals? Bogi, Veetu Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanum Pongal. Okay, on the first day, they will keep Pongal with a new rice and they will thank the nature of sun god. On the first day they will celebrate Bogi. Okay, they will discard everything and they will burn. On the second day is Veetu Pongal. On this day they will cook pongal with a new rice and they will thank the sun. On the third day, Matu Pongal, they will thank for Madu. They will thank Madu because it is helping for them now, so they will thank Madu. Fourth day, Kanum Pongal, they go and visit their relatives and they will make fun by going for temple going for scenic pot, etc. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Tick the ingredient used to make sweet pongal. Look at the picture. Pot is there, rice is there, vellam is there, mundri is there, and chili, some tumbler of milk is there, and wheat is there. Which item is used to prepare pongal? Okay, rice, jaggery, and cashew nut. Okay, jaggery means vellam, rice, cashew nut, mundri parpu. Keeping three items and etc. They'll use ghee, some other things and all they will use and make pongal in the pot. So you have to take rice, jaggery, and cashew nut. Take these three items. Okay, come to page number 75. Local festivals. Vanmati went to see a local village festival with her grandfather. Observe the picture and see what happened there. Okay. Local festivals means what? In a villages, they'll have big statues of god or goddesses. Okay. When that special day comes, they will enjoy that festival. They will give thanks to that goddesses. So they will have different type of things, dances. Okay, karagatam, then puliyatam, then merry-go-round. They will keep merry-go-round. Some different kinds of playing games item and all they will keep. Okay, we can see in some other local areas in Chennai also. Okay, look at Vanmadi. She has come with her grandfather to observe the festival. First, what she has done, she is riding in a merry-go. Okay, Vanmati rode on the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round means what? Ratinam. Okay, sitting on the horse and she is going around. Okay, that is called a ratinam or merry-go-round in English. In Tamil, ratinam. Look at the next picture. She watched the Karagatam and Puliyatam dances. Look at the Karagatam and Puliyatam. They are keeping something on the head, no, that is called Karagam. Okay, and they'll keep that Karagam on their head and they will dance. That Karagam won't fall. Okay, they'll give practice more and they will dance. Look at the Puliyatam. They'll put different kinds of dresses, wearing like a skin, tiger skin. Okay, they will paint on the body and they will dance. That is called Puliyatam. Okay, Karagatam and Puliyatam. Okay, next one. She bought colorful bangles, balloons, and some toys. In the festival, she's buying some bangles for her. She bought balloon and some toys. Okay, when you go to the festivals or when you go to the village festival, you will also enjoy like this only. You will also see the dances and you will enjoy. You will also will buy something for yourself. Okay, what are the two dances? Karagatam and Puliyatam. What are the two dances? Karagatam and Puliyatam. What is merry-go-round? It is nothing but Ratinam. Merry-go-round means Ratinam in Tamil. Two dances are Karagatam and Puliyatam. Okay, go to the next page, page number 76. Complete the patterns. Decorate and color the temple car. Okay, temple car is there. Temple car means what? Ter. Okay, we'll say in Ter. They will pull around the city and go, or the area. Okay, with the temple area. In that area they will pull the Ter and they will go by street and go. Okay, that is called Ter or temple car. You have to color it and decorate it. Okay, next one. Festivals of joy. Festivals like Ramzan, Diwali, and Christmas are days of prayer, joy, and sharing. On these days, people wear new dresses and decorate their homes. They prepare special food items which they distribute to everyone. Once again, I'll read it. Festivals like Ramzan, Diwali, and Christmas are days of prayer, joy, and sharing. On these days, people wear new dresses and decorate their homes. They prepare special food item which they distribute to everyone. Okay. On Ramzan, Diwali, and Christmas, these three festivals, they used to pray nicely. Okay, every day we have to pray, but on that day especially they will pray. Okay, and they will feel very happy on that day, and they will share their gift or share whatever thing is there, they will share to each other. Okay. Next one, they will wear new dresses and they will decorate their homes. On the Christmas day, they will keep Christmas tree at home. Diwali, they will burst crackers. Okay. On Ramzan, they will give some, what they will do, they will give some mutton or something else to your friend. I don't know it is correct or what, but they will do on one festival. I don't know whether it is Ramzan or any other festival. Okay. So they will decorate their home. Can you understand? On the festivals, they will pray to God. They will keep special prayer. They will share things to their friends, wear new dresses, and they will give different food items and they will distribute the food items to their neighbors. Can you understand? They prepare special food item which they distribute to everybody. To distribute food to their neighbors, they will prepare special food items. Okay, come to page number 77. Special food items of festivals. Okay. Diwali. On Diwali, Murku and Adarasam is the special food. Okay. Without Murku and Adarasam, there is no Diwali. On Diwali, specially they will make Murku and Adarasam. And other things will also be there. But this is the important food item. Murku and Adarasam. Okay. Next one, Ramzan. Biryani and Kurma. Sheer Kurma. What kurma? Sheer kurma. Okay. Biryani is the special for Ramzan. Next one, Christmas. Cake and rose cookies. What is rose cookies? Achu murukku. Okay. They will have in the shop and all, they'll sell one achi. Okay. We will buy that one. Dip it in the mav. Mav means maida mav or any other mav. Dip it in the mav and they will put that achi inside the oil and it will come like anything. Okay, that is called rose cookie, or in Tamil achi murukku. Okay, these are the special food items. Diwali, murukku and adarasam. For Ramzan, biryani and kurma. For Christmas, cake and rose cookies. Okay, now come down. Tick the correct way of bursting crackers. See the pictures. Which is the correct way of bursting crackers? See the first. One boy is keeping the cracker on the wall. And one boy is keeping the cracker down on the ground with the help of his father. Okay. And he has a bucket of water. Bucket of water for what is the reason he is keeping the bucket of water there? If anything happen or if anything get burnt, immediately he will pour water. So the right hand picture is the correct one. Tick it there. And the second two pictures, with his grandfather he is standing. Okay, or father he is standing. That is the correct one. And third picture, one boy is standing with his mother. That is a correct picture. Tick it in that one. If you don't know, you ask your parents or sisters. Okay, next one. Page number 78. Abdul wants to give biryani to Vanmati and David. Guide Abdul to reach his friends. Okay. Abdul is a Muslim boy. He has celebrated Ramzan. Now he is having biryani in his hand. He wants to give to Vanmati and David. Vanmati means a Hindu girl. David a Christian boy. Abdul is a Muslim boy. So what we must understand, our society, in our society there are Muslim people, Hindu people and Christian people, but they are all friends. Okay, like that we should also have friends each other. Okay, whether we are Muslims or Christians or Hindu, we should not see that one. We should make friends with each other. We are all children of God. Okay, you can find places for Abdul to find Vanmati and David. Okay, next one, our friends. Vanmati wanted to send a letter to her friend. Let us see whom she met on the way. On the way, Vanmati meeting everybody. She wants to send a letter to her friend. First, she saw a lady and she asked whether do you deliver letter. But what she says, no, I am a teacher. I am fond of children. I like to teach lesson and good values. What the teacher does, the teacher teaches good lessons for the children. Okay. Next, she's a policeman. Okay. Policeman protect the public places and the public. Okay. Public means what? We are all public. We are living in the area. People. Okay, so policeman gives protection for us to be safe. I protect public places and keep people safe. Okay, in different places something will happen, so the policeman will come and keep us safe. Next, she's meeting a doctor and again she is asking like that. So doctor says, no, I am a doctor. I will give treatment for the sick people. I will help for the sick people. Next, she meets the nurse. What the nurse says, no, I won't deliver the letter. I am a nurse. I am kind and care for the needs of sick. I tie bandages and give injection. What the nurse does, she cares the patients. She will tie bandages and she will give injection for the sick people. And next she meets a shopkeeper. What the shopkeeper say, I am not a delivery man of your letter. I am a shopkeeper. I measure and count goods and sell in my shop. He is selling different items from his shop, so he is a shopkeeper. Next one, he meets the vegetable vendor. What the vegetable vendor say, no, I am a vegetable vendor. I will sell fresh vegetables and sell them in a street using my cart. On the way he will push his cart and he will sell vegetables. Okay, so he is a vegetable vendor. Next page number 80. And again she meets a milkman. What the milkman say, I care for cows and buffaloes. I supply milk to the people. No, I won't deliver you a letter. I am a milkman. I will care for the buffaloes and cows. I am giving milk to the people in the village or city. And at last she's asking the postman, do you deliver my letter? This man say, yes, I do. I am a postman. I collect letters from the post box. I sort letters according to the addresses. I deliver the letter to the correct address. And he says, yes, I am a postman. I will sort the letter according to the address and I will give the letters to the correct address in the city. He says like that. Okay. Whom she meets a teacher, then policeman, then doctor, then nurse, then shopkeeper, vegetable vendor, milkman, and at last postman. These peoples helps us. Okay, teacher helps us, policeman helps us, doctor, nurse, shopkeeper, vegetable vendor, milkman, and postman. These peoples are helping us in different ways. Okay, next one is connect our friend to their workplace. Okay, doctor to the hospital, policeman to the police station, teacher to the school. Match it. Okay, from the person to the places, doctor to the hospital, policeman to the police station, and teacher to the school. Finished? Okay, next one. Sequence the picture by writing numbers from 1 to 5. Look at the picture. Look at the picture now. Page number 81. You have to put the numbers. First one boy is sitting and writing letter. That is number 1. Number 2, after writing, he is going and putting the letter inside the letter box. That is number 2. And the third one is the postman comes and taking all the letter from the letter box. That is number 3. And fourth one, in the post office, the postman is putting stamp on it. Okay, stamp on the letter. That is fourth. And fifth one is he is going and delivering the letter in the house. Can you understand? Okay. If you don't know, you ask your mother and do it. Then evaluation. Tick the object that Vanmati sees at the village festival. What are the objects she saw in the village? The first picture is Poikal Gudre. Okay, it doesn't have a leg. So we are calling it, that is a Poikal Gudre. Then Karagam, then Bangle. She saw in the festival. She did not see the laptop. Okay, she did not see the laptop. She saw the Poikal Gudre, Karagam, and bangles. Bangles means valayal. Okay. 2. Circle the things used to decorate your homes on Pongal. On Pongal, what they will keep and decorate? They will keep this மாவிலைய அந்த இலையை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த டோர் மேலே அந்த மஞ்சள்லாம் தடவி வைப்பாங்க. I don't know that thing. Okay, and the next one, they will keep a கரும்பு. Then they will use கோலமாவு to put கோலம். Okay, leaf, கரும்பு, and கோலமாவு. Okay, these 3 things you have to tick it. Okay, now time is up. Already we have completed till page number 81. From page 82, I will teach you today in our Zoom class. Okay, Zoom class is before you get this video. Video will come later. Now I am preparing the video, but video will come after the Zoom class. Other 2-3 pages I will teach you in the Zoom class, children. Shall I end by this one? Bye, my dear children. Bye bye. Bye, dear parents. Thank you.